Story Sukap here with another question of the week. This week's question came to us from Danielle from Washington. Danielle is asking, we are opening soon, been shopping for a website. What are some of the things we should watch out for? That's a great question because there are some things that you should watch out for. The number one thing that you want to make sure you find out from whoever decides to build your website is whether you own the website or give you total access to it after it's finished, or they're gonna want to manage it and keep it. So if they tell you no, they're going to manage it and keep it, run. Like run as fast as you can, because whoever wants to charge you $10,000 to do a website and then they want to charge you a monthly fee after just to keep it up for you, that's not a good deal at all. Because should you want to take it back, many of them would actually fight you on it. I have a client in New York that just had to pay $17,000 to get his domain name back because the website company had actually bought his domain name. So you need to make sure you buy your own domain name. You can go to GoDaddy.com and buy it yourself. Don't let anybody else buy it for you. And then make sure that the website company you hire will give you the website at the end. If they want to manage it, or if you want them to manage it, that's okay, but they need to give it to you with the username, passwords, whatever you need, so that way you can make necessary changes if you need to, or hire somebody else to do it for you. So there's a lot of companies out there that are not very ethical, so just be careful. Ask maybe to ask for names of people that they have helped, see what the relationship was like, go check out some reviews, and then make your decision. And just in case you didn't know, I actually have a team that does build websites, so you might want to also discuss it with us. Now, we are one of these companies that will definitely give you your website back. We do not keep it for you. It's yours to do as you wish once we build it. So just be careful, do your homework, dot the I's and cross the T's, and make sure that you sign up with a reputable company. Hope that helped you. If you too have a question, you can send it to info@inspirationmanagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.